Hello everyone, welcome back to the second video of R tutorial. So today we will see basic commands in R. So the very first one is nothing but your assignment. Okay, this is your basic command. So basically assignment operator is used to assign a value to a formula, or you can say, okay, actually the main thing is like to assign a value. See, suppose I have a variable a, this is called a variable. So we are assigning a value. This is something called syntax. Okay. So for this example, I will show you. This is a. We are assigning 3 in this variable a. Okay. Assignment operator in R we can use by using equal to symbol, or we can use using this. Okay. So people preferably use this. So here 3 is assigned to variable a. This is called variable. They say like b, c, d. These all 3 are variable. Second is nothing but your continuous prompt. What is this? Continuous prompt is what? Like in some cases, an assignments need to be made over a couple of lines. Suppose this in this line we are go and we want to like assign some more like here from this line. So we will use what? We will use enter to break that. Okay. Example: when you are using two input vectors in the same formula. In this case, what you will do? You will use enter key to add a line, okay, to the command. This is the thing. So the third command is like third basic command is case sensitivity. Case sensitivity. Case sensitivity is like your all function names, variable names, keywords, etc., which are in R are case sensitive. Okay, let's suppose I like here a is equal to 3. Okay, and it is this a, and now c, yeah, a is equal to let's say 4. Okay, here what happened? 3 is assigned to this a and 4 is assigned to this a. This a and this capital A and this small a, these are different. These are different variable. These two are different. Okay, so when you will return, when you will like print this a, you will get the value 3. When you will print this a, you will get the value 4. Okay, this is the case. Now let's say fourth one is assignment rules. How we can assign the value? What are the rules for the assignment? Suppose blank spaces are ignored when you are written a is equal to having blank, if this blank is ignored. Okay, no standard names or predefined keywords should be used as an object names or variables for the assignment. Okay, now the fifth rule is called your nothing but comments. Comments is what? Comments like may be added to a function or assignment using the hash symbol. Anything from the hash symbol to the end of the line you had written is ignored. Let's take an example. You had assigned a is equal to 3. In this case, after I started writing this, like assign the value 3 to a. So after this, this line is ignored from here. Okay, this line is ignored. Now the sixth one, we are going to talk about last expression. Last expression. Last expression is nothing but the last value or expression returned by a store, but okay, returned by R is stored in here dot last dot value. Here it is stored. Okay, this you can use as a variable. Okay, or in an assignment. Okay, note, like if the last expression was called your function called, then it will return function. If last expression was something returned, then it will like a variable, it will return. For example, let's say a, we had to store something here, we will do dot last dot value, then it will return whatever we had stored lastly in a, it will return. I hope you had seen these basic commands or okay. Let's see practically. Suppose I had written a, okay, we are assigning value 3. So here 3 is assigned into a. So what we will do, when I will enter a, it will return me 3. Okay, when I told about the assignment rule, see, I had given so much space, I had written 4. Now I will write a, then it will return 4. So here blank space is ignored. Now I will write like this step 3. Okay, and I will write comment. Here I commented that assign the value 3 to a. Okay, when I will write a, then it will print only 3. So this assign the value 3 to a is ignored. Now let's say I will write a, I will assign dot last dot value. Okay, now we will return a, it will return 3. uh Wait, I will return last dot value, it will return 3. Okay, so what we will write, dot last dot value, it will return 3. Suppose I done here 3 4. Now a is what, 4. Now I will do last dot value, it will return 4. Now let's talk about the case sensitivity. Let's say a, I had written like suppose 5. Okay, done. Now I am writing a, with this I am writing 6. Okay, now done. Now let me return a, so it will return 5. If I will return capital A, then it will return 6. So here when we talk about this, this is nothing but your what, case sensitivity. Okay, so in this first of all, what happened, this a here in the first a, it was stored 5, then we get 5. In the second one it was 6, then we get the 6. I hope you totally understand all these things. Thanks for watching this video. We will see next topic in the next lecture.